Hello and welcome to TA Educator Online Training. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to use alignment in CorelDRAW. Okay, when to use alignment. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. So I have my CorelDRAW already open here. So first, I'll start by drawing some objects on the screen. So I'll hold on my Shift key to get a very good shape. So this one, then I'll hold it and drag again whilst holding down the control key. Then I'll click on my right mouse to duplicate. Then I'll do the same one also. I'll do one. All right, so these are the three objects that we'll be using in this episode. So first, you can tell that this one is very big, so I'll just make it red. I'll make the one that follow yellow, and I'll just make the last one here green. Okay, all right. So as you can tell, so now what we will do is let's for example do something here first. So here, if you want to align all these objects here in the middle of the page, okay, whilst your pick tool is being selected, okay, click out of this area here, click, hold and drag, and select all the objects here, or you hold on the shift key, then you click to select all the objects. Okay, so here we want all these objects to be aligned in the center of the page. So I'm going to show you two ways. First, you can use the keyboard shortcut, okay, which is the letter P. So the moment you press on the letter P, automatically you have all your three objects in the middle of the page. So how are we sure that these all three things are in the middle of the page? Good. Put your mouse cursor on this rectangle tool here, okay, then double click on it. Automatically it will fill all the page. Then when you come on the ruler here, okay, click, hold and drag, so you have this grid line, then put it in the center here. Okay, so this tells you that now this line is in the center of the page. So now let's get rid of this one, and now let's click on this and let's see where the center actually meets. So you can tell the center actually meets here. Okay, so let's send this one to back so you can see the rest. So when you right click, you go to order, then you send it to back. So you will see the yellow here. Now we want to see the green. So what you will do is right click here, go to order. Then with this one, you won't send it to back, but you select send it to back one. So the one actually, it will not go at the back of the red one, but rather it will actually go back one. So the green will actually what be seen. Okay, good. Now again, we just use the keyboard shortcut. Let me scatter it around again. Okay, very quickly. Then I don't want to use the keyboard shortcut. So what you need to do, click and drag to select all. Then you come all the way to object. Okay. Then when you come to object, go to align and distribute. Then we locate for center to page. So you see that the center to page is P. So the moment you click center to page, automatically you will have them all arranged in the center of the page. So instead of you wasting all the time here going to object, go through to look for align and distribute, then you scroll down to where that particular option is. By using the P on your keyboard, automatically you have what align it to center, and that's really quick. Okay, good. Now we are moving on to the next one. Let's assuming I want this my yellow and the green here all to align at the right hand here. Okay, so this is what you do. You have to select all the objects. Then on your keyboard, you press the letter R. The R means right. So automatically you have them all, you have the yellow and the green aligned to your right hand side. Okay, so let me undo it and let's say select all. If you should go to object again, align and distribute, you will find the align right also here. So when you click on align right, automatically it will also achieve the same thing. Okay, so it's very good and professional if at times you do memorize the shortcuts. Okay, so maybe if you are doing design and someone is around you, like the person will not be seeing the options that you go to select that particular option, but he will just see you using the keyboard and everything is working on perfectly. Okay, now with here, let's go to the next one. Let's click on object straight ahead and let's go to align and distribute. Then this time around, I just want to align it to left. So the moment I click on this option, I'm going to have all these things actually aligned to left. Okay, so if I should undo it and I should highlight all or select all and press the letter on the keyboard L, automatically I will also achieve the same thing. Okay, guys. So now, if let's assume we don't want it to align it either to the left or right, but we want it to be at the center here. Okay, so what you do is you know what to do. You just have to press the letter P to page. Okay, good. Now, if we should put this one here, okay, if we should put this one here and we want this one actually to be aligned to the top here. So listen here, you select the green and you what hold on your shift key to select the red. Okay, so here we are going to apply two keyboard shortcuts or two keyboard letters. Okay, first you press C. The C is to center. Okay, and you press T. T is to top. So now you can tell that now we have what align our uh, red object here to the top without aligning the yellow one. Okay, but before we achieve this one, we use uh, two letters. Okay, so what you do, you hold on the shift, you select this one, then you press C on your keyboard, then you press T to top. So as far as you have to select this particular red one, then automatically you are telling this green that, hey, I want you to be aligned to center and at the same time aligned to this red top. Okay, so we can also select the yellow here. Then we select either the green or the red by holding down the shift key. Then you can press this time around. You don't need to use the C because the yellow object is already in the middle or the center of the page. So all what you need to do is you press on T. So it means that you have aligned the object to top. So if we should go to the object again and go to align and distribute, you see align to top. The letter there is T. Okay, good. All right. So now the last one is how are we going to align to bottom? So let's, for example, say we want to align these two objects here, okay, straight to bottom, or we want to align this yellow object here to bottom while leaving the green at the top. So first you click on this one, then you hold on your shift key to select the red one, then you press B, letter B on your keyboard. Automatically you have this yellow object here aligned to the bottom of the page. Okay, guys. So actually when this one, if you want to align ve vertical or horizontal, is either you use the letter C or you use C for horizontal and you use uh, P for vertical. Okay, so for example, maybe we want to center this. We know that P will get everything to the center of the page, but if you should press C here, it will not give you any feedback. Okay, that one actually works only when you have two objects selected. Now let's select this and this. Now if we should press the C, because of it's already in the middle of the page, so it will not shift. But for example, let's pull this thing here and let's select both. Then you press the C, automatically you see that it have what fall, it have aligned horizontally, but it's at the top. So if you want it to align in the middle here, you just have to press the keyboard shortcut E. So automatically the E will be at the middle and it will work like how the P actually works. So if we should go back and we'll hit on P, automatically you see that the E and the P achieve the same thing. Okay, guys. All right. So that's how to work on. That's how to use the alignment in what CorelDRAW. When it comes to a text tool, okay. So let me put that one here, and let me go in for a text here. Let's say maybe mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone. Then I'll put my number there. So I'll go in for +233 247 154 094. Okay, just for example. All right, then maybe you are doing a call card. Okay, then we put the email also here. Okay, so maybe we'll have the email, maybe info at taonlinetraining.com. All right, then maybe the last one, let's have something like location. Let's have something like location. So our location is going to be uh, Accra, Ghana. All right. So to align this one first, let's align it by dragging and drop. So we drag and drop. We do the same thing here, drag and drop. So let me open it, zoom it in big. So now, if we should put this line here, okay, though you can see that they are all on the same line, but you can tell that the M is closer to the line than the rest. So to align it, what you need to do is you just highlight both. Okay, you just click, hold, and drag before you can get this Matthew selection. Okay, so when you select it, then you can use L, align to left, and you can tell that this location automatically shifts. So let's just put it in more practical way. Maybe let's come to this side and let's put this one somewhere here, and you realize that you want to what, align them all to left. So the moment you highlight them all and you press on L, automatically you are telling this text here to align to left. If you press R, you are telling it to align at the right hand side. Okay, then if you press on C, you are telling it to align in the center. So that's how you can use the alignment on text and stuff. It's not only for only object. So if like I want to align this phone number here with the green button here, okay. So I just have to what, select this and select this object here at the top here. Then I'll use the C for horizontal. Then I will just use the E for vertical. So automatically I will have the text in here placed in the middle of this green, and the size from here to here, here to here, here to here, everything is unique and uniform. Okay, guys. So I hope this explanation also maybe uh, open your mind on how to use the alignment in CorelDRAW. Okay. So for more option, actually, if you go to objects and you go under align and distribute, there are a lot of. So I have explained all this with this one too. So this one also was center to page horizontally, center to page vertically. Okay, and we have align with pixels. Okay, they are all there, so you can also try your hands on it and see how the rest of them also work. Okay, guys. So this brings us to the end of this particular episode. So see you next time.